So hi guys, I am your teacher Christian, and for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to use Kahoot as an educational app. So first guys, um, you need to open the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, you type kahoot.com, then click the Kahoot at the top, and then click the sign up option in the top corner of the page. Then choose your account type based on how you're planning to use Kahoot, and then choose your workplace. Then next, you can create an account or sign up with your Google account or your email account. And then when you already log in your account, you just click the plus button at the right corner and then choose the Kahoot, and then scroll down, then choose the blank canvas to create your Kahoot. And then in here, you can start creating your quizzes or question for your students. And if you're already done with creating your questions or quizzes, you can click the save, and then add title, then tap the continue at the bottom. Then after a while, click done. And if you want to see your created quizzes, then click the three lines at the left side of the corner, and then tap the your folders. Then open your works, and then after that, just tap the assign button at the right corner, and then here you can invite your students or players that you want to join in your game. Then there is a game pin that you need to give them, and so that they can join to your game. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.